Hi, welcome to part one of our aquatic plant series. Right now we're going to talk about hardy versus non-hardy aquatic plants. Now, the reason you would want non-hardy plants in your aquatic or your pond section is that they're beautiful. We have a lovely red banana, a variegated ginger, and a blue vein taro. So these are great plants to have in your garden or your pond during the summer. But they are, as you can see, if we flip the tag over, rated only at zone 8. So hardy plants for your pond would be rated zone 6 or less. So while these are great from May right up until October, if you want to keep them for the following year, you're going to have to take them out of the pond when the frosts occur, put them in either a saucer with water and overwinter them inside, because outside they're simply going to perish in your pond. That said, we have quite a few hardy plants available, and they look just as nice. We have a beautiful spiral rush, a lovely purple Japanese iris, and bloody dock or rumex. And these are zone 5, and a very Winnipeg hardy zone 3. And this one here is actually evergreen through winter, so it's going to look great throughout the year. The other two will just die down and regrow. So that's basically the difference between hardy and non-hardy plants. Remember, zone 6 or less, you can keep in your pond. Zone 7 or higher, you'd be better off overwintering indoors.